I was sent this retinol cream and I'm going to show you how to use it and tell you a lot more about the benefits of using it. I love this brand, and opening it was super simple. There's a little spike there. You're going to use that on the downside. That will cause it to puncture, and then it's ready to go. It did say it may explode under pressure. I didn't have that issue, but that could happen. So you just use a pea-size amount for your face. It's recommended to do it at night, but you can wear it during the day as well. Just always make sure you wear SPF too. Also, a little does go a long way. If you have very sensitive skin, it could cause some redness and some flaking. That's just the retinol at work. So you want to target really the areas where you have your wrinkles or any fine lines. So for me, that's like the under eye, side eyes, definitely the forehead, and then around the mouth as well. And then of course you can just rub in everything else. This is a 0.1% formula, which is a good strength to it. And also retinol is vitamin A in its purest form. Plus there's vitamin E in here as well. So you can wear it when you sleep, wear it during the day. You can wear it every couple of days. You don't have to do it every single day. And definitely make sure you kind of patch test before you go all in case you do have really sensitive skin. But what you're gonna find is that this is gonna really help bring that youthful skin appearance that we all want and love. And so far, I'm really liking this. I think you're gonna like it too.